When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes. With me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, as a Naivedyam to Goddess, I am preparing moong dal purnamburlu. Instead of chana dal, we are using here moong dal. It's very easy and simple recipe. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take 1 cup of white urad dal, soak it for overnight. Now take 2 cups of raw rice and soak it for overnight. Grind into a smooth paste. The batter should be not too thick, not too thin. Take 1 cup of moong dal, soak it for 1 hour. Boil it and transfer it into a separate bowl. Now blend this moong dal into a smooth paste. For stuffing, add 1 cup of water. Add 1 cup of jaggery. Dissolve this jaggery in water. Once jaggery dissolves, strain it and transfer it into same pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ilachi powder. Add blended moong dal paste into this. Slowly mix everything. Now add raisins and cashew nuts. Once it separates from pan, now switch off the stove. Dip the stuffing in the batter. Cover it all sides and drop it in a hot oil. On a low flame, fry it on both sides. Once the purnamburlu got a good color, now remove from the hot oil. Now fry the remaining purnamburlu in the same way. Now transfer this purnamburlu into serving plate. That's all, moong dal purnamburlu was ready. We can serve this purnamburlu as a Naivedyam to Goddess. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, as a Naivedyam to Goddess, I am going to prepare Semia Kesari. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notifications, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.